Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum Shibanta Banpan Khalanya Kaseng, U President ka All India Trinamool Youth Congress Meghalaya, Uba Fernandez S. Dakar, Ula Kynthoh Yikit Samla Ban Mi Shakman, Ban Ayu Jinkershan Yakaseng TMC, Hakaneka Kinti Kabamenta. Ula ban rapru da kabaong banakaliang ka jongki kenbi surak banyakun persya yaki jing ki baki samla ki yakendo lagade hakayo kam yo jam ne ki weki man ula ong ka basamut kadai baki seng san perthai ki badan lang haka sorkar ki Kynthoh Iwei ya Iwei pan habaya dai bat ka bamsam kane baro kadai tang ban Pynbiej ki Paidbah Shuwa ki Ilekshon.
Our main motive is for the press conference is that we are requesting all our youth, those who are like-minded, to come to the party, the Trinamool Congress. So this is a new party in Meghalaya, but it was not new in Garo Hills. It already has the base. So we request all our youth to join our party. We are saying that we are TMC is from Bengal. Yes, I agree. It started from West Bengal. It's a party from West Bengal. Then what about Congress? The former party where I have been, it was formed in Mumbai and led by W.C. Banerjee, the first president, who was a Bengali too. These are petty politics by those who are, because they have seen that this is the force to reckon. TMC is the force to reckon now in Meghalaya. Because all of them are in government. Be it, they said that we are opposing our own government. It looks amused, I used to say. The people in the government oppose the government. And by Bengali tag, see, myself belonging from the Christian community and with respect to all the faith in Meghalaya, see, our first Bible was written, the handwriting was written in Bengali notion. Be it the SF10. We have the strength of SF10 is around 1800, but they cannot even fulfill that. Now they are trying to release all the SF10 also to the district police. So instead of creating job, they are cutting down the job, which is very sad indeed for our youth. So I think the youth should look up. I used to say that don't just listen. You try to find out the facts. Then after that, you can compare. In Khasi and Jaintia also now, they are looking up who is standing. Not only based on the party line, but who is coming up for the TMC in different constituency. See, we got a good candidate in Iwei, in Mokoyal, and we have our leaders here. Bachas and Bajos, they are the sensible leaders. Which the youth are looking up. They have that strong determination to work for the state, for the betterment of the state. I think we will create a hive in Khasi Hills also.
Vice President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Trinamool Congress. So today, like our President have addressed, we have just concluded our first ever executive meeting of the state executive. So we would like to invite the youths of the state to come join hands in bringing a change in the state. We have been mobilizing the youths in and around Garo Hills every now and then, and we've been getting a good response. So we would like to welcome the youths who have joined hands, and we would like to invite the youths of Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills to come join hands and bring in a change in our state. If you're looking at the current situation, what is happening in the state, I think there's a lot of deficiency. Our youths are being deprived. So to bring about a change, I think we have to be the change ourselves first. We can see thousands of vacancies and thousands of our youths being unemployed right now. So, like I've said, I think to bring about a change, we have to be the change ourselves first. So we would like to once again invite our youths to be the change ourselves first.
See, this is the first state executive meeting we have taken. We have talked about the issue of corruption and all. Yes, we will be on the street. We will fight because we have seen in your coverage also that even the party within the government itself, they are blaming each other. See, there is one Facebook page which was run by, I guess, by the BJP, Meghalaya with Modi. They are questioning the corruption done by this government, and they are still in the path of the government. What is really amused with them? They are the path of the government and they are questioning the government. So they have been playing to their lip service for so many years now. It has been 4.5 years. So I don't know that na khane dunga na khaunga, that campaign by our honorable Prime Minister is just a lip service, it seems. They have seen the corruption is going rampant in Meghalaya. The construction of each and every building is in shady and shoddy manners. I don't know why they cannot send an investigation team after so many. And now today I just read it is a partial investigation has been placed of that doom, which the doom of assembly has collapsed. So we'll take this, we'll take on the street also. When it's demand, we will give you the proper information when and where to do all the